टिम बर्टन को हम यूजुअली फैंटेसी मूवी से एसोसिएट करते हैं, बट आई थिंक ये मूवी बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिफरेंट है एंड आई थिंक ये उनकी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मूवीज़ है. Hi there and welcome to the channel. My name is Manjeet and today I will be recommending 3 movies from 3 different directors. The first movie that I am recommending today is Big Fish, directed by Tim Burton. It is a movie about a person who kind of lives in his stories and who has had a very adventure filled life, and his son, who has kind of listened to all those stories throughout his childhood, has grown bitter to him because ultimately he has realized that his dad was just a nobody who has a very exaggerated versions of events that has happened in his life. Now his son is married and he's expecting a child, and he receives the news that his father is sick, so he decides to live with his father or to kind of stay with his father in his last moments. उसका उनके साथ रहने का पर्पस सिर्फ उनके हेल्थ की वजह से नहीं होता है. He kind of wants to settle things with his father and kind of wants to come to terms with the stories that his father used to tell him, and he wants to know that whether it was all just his over exaggerated imagination or is it just some dreams that he was just telling to him. बहुत ही अच्छी मूवी है and I think it's one of the greatest movies of all time. The first thought that popped in my head after watching this movie was that this is definitely going in my top 5 movies of all time which I have watched. ये थोड़ी different है बाकी Tim Burton movies से, but I think इसके theme में it is quite same just like the rest of Tim Burton movies, and I think that after watching this movie you will have a different perception of storytelling, imaginations, dreams, and how overrated reality is. It's a great movie and I think that you should watch it. The second movie that I'm recommending today is Wes Anderson's Rushmore, and this is about a kid who is kind of a genius in ऑलमोस्ट एवरी फील्ड एक्सेप्ट एकेडमिक्स, क्योंकि वो हर को करिकुलर एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व रहता है. उसका एडमिशन हो जाता है कि ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूशन में जहाँ नॉर्मली एडमिशन लेना बहुत ही ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है, and that is where he meets a teacher who's portrayed by Bill Murray, and Bill Murray kind of develops a very great friendship with that kid because he thinks that his own kids are losers and this boy has some potential in him. इसके बाद he kind of receives a warning from the institution कि उसके grades बहुत ही नीचे जा रहे हैं, and he's also creating a lot of nuisance in the institution. Because of this he's kind of given a warning that they will expel him, and that is where he kind of develops a crush on a teacher who has newly arrived in the institution. This sounds like a very typical Wes Anderson movie plot, and Wes Anderson is a person, he's a director that likes to pay a lot of attention to details. And by attention I mean minute detailing of each frame, and I think in this particular movie you can find a little bit of almost all his upcoming filmography. Like you can find a little bit of essence of The Grand Budapest Hotel, a little bit of Fantastic Mr. Fox, and a little bit of Darjeeling Limited. So if you are a Wes Anderson fan and you want to see a movie that kind of served as a precursor to his upcoming movies, then I think this is a movie that you should definitely watch. The third movie that I am recommending today is Manchester by the Sea by Kenneth Lonergan. So this is a movie written and directed by Kenneth Lonergan, and to be honest मुझे उनके बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं पता, but I know this that he is considered as one of the greatest screenwriters of all time and one of the greatest playwrights also. So इस movie का plot is about a person who has done some horrible things in his life and because of which he cannot really move on and cannot really think of redemption. But उसकी लाइफ में चेंजेस तब आते हैं जब उसका बड़ा भाई सडनली एक्सपायर हो जाता है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस उसके नेफ्यू की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उस पर आ जाती है, एंड ही हैज़ टू काइंड ऑफ डिसाइड कि अब उसे अडॉप्ट करना है लीगली या नहीं करना. बट बाय अडॉप्टिंग हिम ही हैज़ टू गिव हिमसेल्फ अ चांस इन हिज लाइफ एंड ही हैज़ टू काइंड ऑफ फॉरगिव हिमसेल्फ. बट द थिंग इज दैट ही स्टिल थिंक्स कि ही हैज़ नो चांस फॉर मूविंग ऑन इन हिज लाइफ. So this is a very emotional movie, this is a very heartbreaking movie, and I think that after watching this movie this will leave you with a lot of emotions, and this is a movie that I think you should definitely watch because of the writing, because ऐसा कुछ mega eventful नहीं है movie में, but still the writing is so great. It's such a genius screenplay that you will be ultimately having a very heartbreaking experience. And I think that you might have heard about this movie or you might have watched this movie because Casey Affleck had won the Oscar for Best Actor for this movie, and Kenneth Lonergan also won the award for Best Original Screenplay. So I think that ये एक ऐसी movie that will leave you with a variety of emotions, and I think that you should definitely watch this movie. So these were the recommendation today, and see you until next time. Keep watching movies.